welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. So today we're going to be doing another quick craft actually. We're going to be making a mini fidget toy puppet, because so far that has been a big hit around every social media platform, especially like TikTok. And we're going to be making a mini version of this. And if you guys want to see more of these type of videos, be sure to go ahead and go on to the right hand corner, where you can find more of these related videos on our channel platform. Without any further ado, let's get started. For this quick craft, you'll need is paint and scissors, as well as utensils, plastic ones. And last but not least, clay, or homemade clay. Okay, so now we have our clay. So first, take out your clay. So I took out only a little bit. I'm going to flatten it out. Make sure it's not too thin, not too thick. Then I'm going to be using a glue stick as my model, because I'm going to be making a circle clay. As you can see, it made a circle. Then remove the excess clay. Right here we have a circle clay. Since we have our circle clay, I'm going to be using the extra clay I have right here. And I'm going to be making some tiny details. For an example, a tiny circle, except this one's really big. So we're going to be taking it, making it tiny little pieces, and placing them on the clay. So I don't know if you guys can see, but this is super duper tiny. That's why my fingers look so humongous. And now I'm actually going to go put it on a clean surface that will not stick for it to dry overnight. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and paint it using some paint and a paintbrush. So the colors I used was black and pink. I think it's a pretty fade, because I'm actually going to make it a nice fading gradient right here and there. So I'm going to be using some black and pink paint. Okay, so now I have my paints, and I think I'm going to start off with the pink, and I'm going to go ahead and dip my paintbrush. And I'm sorry, I just kind of got stained on my hand, so it's right there. Now I'm going to go ahead . guys want to share it to me, be sure to go post it on your Instagram, tag me, and use the hashtag MyVlogDolls Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel. Bye, Vlog Squad!
I swear that I'm